Welcome to the Spanish Trio channel. This is week 2 of the channel. We will be covering the Spanish alphabet, el alfabeto español. The Spanish alphabet is important for children to learn because it is the very basic basis of everything that they will learn about the language. So it is important for them to learn as one of the very basic steps. So the Spanish alphabet has 27 letters and 3 digraphs. Digraphs are not part of the Spanish alphabet. They are che, elle, and r, but they are used in the Spanish language. So a digraph is basically one of the letters of the Spanish alphabet combined with another letter of the alphabet. And they are generally used in the Spanish language. So the Spanish alphabet has the 27 letters, and we're going to go over both letters and the digraphs. We're going to start with A, B, C, J, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, one of the members of the Spanish trio volunteered to do a canvas of the alphabet, and the way that she learned was through music. So we're going to do a song of the alphabet. A, B, C, J, 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 D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time. A, B, C, J, 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 D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And this is just an idea, but if you're a musical family, you can create your own music, and you can help your kids do a canvas or painting for the Spanish alphabet. This will help them learn the Spanish alphabet. And the vocabulary that we will be using for the next session is written here. And we're going to be learning about this book by Leo Leoni. So the vocabulary that we're going to focus on for the next 2 weeks are going to be camaleones. Camaleón is one chameleon. Camaleones are chameleons. Menos, it means except, minus. Cambian means change. Menos is also used in mathematical equations. Donde quiera means wherever. Van means to go or go. Rosados means pink in plural form. Grises means gray in plural form. So this is the vocabulary that we're going to focus on, but the main thing that you want to focus on learning is the Spanish alphabet. Okay, well, I look forward to meeting you here in 2 weeks from now.